The Battle of Plassey. The Battle of Plassey took place on 23rd June 1757 at Plassey, West Bengal, India. The opponents were Siraj-ud-Daulah, the last independent Nawab of Bengal, and the British East India Company. The British East India Company used Siraj-ud-Daulah's deposed army chief Mir Jafar to defeat Siraj-ud-Daulah. Having won the Battle of Plassey, the entire province of Bengal was taken by the company, with Mir Jafar appointed as their puppet Nawab. This battle is regarded as one of the pivotal battles leading to the eventual formation of the British Empire in India.